CASS stands for Competence Assurance System Services, a web-based service that empowers organizations to focus on the development of their human capability if that is considered to be critical to their success. It operates at the individual, team or department, and the whole enterprise level. Yes, CASS can apply to any enterprise which considers the performance of its employees and its teams fundamental to its sustainability and success.
My name is Andrew Mallender. I am the Management Systems Development Manager for a global engineering and railway company. I have been working in the railway industry for 30 years, and in that time looked at systems, integrated management systems, processes, and a balance of that is looking at the competency of staff and the framework. And over the last 2 to 3 years, I've actually been working on a balanced, integrated competency framework.
To the best of our knowledge, our approach to characterizing, evaluating, and developing human capability and competence is reasonably unique. Our approach to competence embodied within the CASS is to consider competence a lot more than just having knowledge and skill and experience. We include factors such as soft factors, such soft behaviors, motivation, teamwork, leadership, psychological parameters, physical parameters, efficiency, quality, creativity, and a whole host of predictors which are far more comprehensive than the current models.
Most companies, when they're looking at competency, actually take a qualification, and that is the starting point. And it's a good starting point as well. But if it was 30 years ago when you took this degree, if you've not used it, then you start to lose that skill set, and it's more relevant to what you've currently been working on. And as he pointed out to me, if you take a surgeon, that somebody who actually operates every day, doing the same thing day after day, that guy is competent, nobody gets killed. When he gets promoted and becomes the manager to actually look over the other surgeons, and 5 years later somebody asks him to do an operation, would you want him working on you? No, you wouldn't. You'd want the guy who's been doing it day after day. And that's the thing with the degree thing. And so he's actually taken the qualification thing, not just on its own, but he's actually produced it as a blend between empirical and scientific. So it's that sort of knowledge, world knowledge, and the degree, and put the two together and made it one facet rather than just one on its own. So it's a combined, it's a blend of the two. That's the very clever thing about it.
CASS offers 5 fundamental features which collectively help the organization to define, to evaluate, as well as to develop the individual competencies.